So, I have a little message for people who like to spread around hate on, I don't know, like sites that happen to have videos, like YouTube. And this could go for Tumblr also, but this is mainly YouTube. But here we go. If you have something mean to say, just don't freaking say it, okay? It's really mean. It's hurtful. No one likes hate. It's like, do you have any idea what it does to people? That is what causes people to hate their appearance, hate their voice or whatever. They start to self-loathe, go on some crazy diet because you called them fat or something. Or they start to hate themselves or have suicidal thoughts, and the next thing you know, there's a dead teenager somewhere in the world, and it's all your fault. I blame you. Just stop. It's not helping. Like, really, if you have a freaking problem, stop watching the videos. There is an unsubscribe button. There is an unfollow button. Hit it. If you want to send hate, keep it to yourself. Don't post it. It's just going to make everything worse. And if you have a problem with someone's face, don't watch the video. Go away. No one wants you there, okay? Get off my channel. Like, for real. If you have to have anything to say to bash me, just get off. I don't want you here. You're not welcome if you have negative energy flowing into my newsfeed, okay? I don't want any of that. So if you have any negative comments to say about anything that anybody is making, keep it to yourself and make the world a better place, because no one wants that. It's not helping. That's all I have to say. Just stop the hate.